First of all, even though the seller said that this product is the original one, however, I'm not sure that is true because it is said that this product is made in America. But if we look at the package, it is written in bad grammar. For example, we can read this part. It is written pull whatever you like. It doesn't make sense. I think what they mean is put, not pull. So there are two possibilities. Maybe it's an original product, but it's not made in America. Or it can be a fake one. Since I don't know the official website of this product, so I cannot get more information about this matter. Inside the package, we will get a pair of Flourish Lama. One is shaped like a bone. It is elastic and feels very sticky. The second one is a rectangular shape with a steel inside of it. The steels have a function to maintain the shape when we use it to support an object such as a mobile phone. We will try this product to attach some of different materials. The first one is a mobile phone with an aluminum body. The weight is 179 grams. Then I will put on some TPU or silicone case. With the case, the weight will be 194 grams. Next one is a cell phone with a plastic body. The weight is 164 grams. We will also try to put a glass of jar that weighs 161 grams. Let's do the test. I will try the rectangular shape first. Let's stick it to the wall. Now we will try the mobile phone with an aluminum body. Let's measure the time. It only holds less than 5 minutes. Next, we will try the same phone but with a silicone case. We run the stopwatch. As you can see in stopwatch, it can hold good for more than 10 minutes. Even when we pull the phone, the Flourish Lama is attached to the silicone case. Now let's try with a mobile phone that made from plastic. We run the stopwatch. It lasts for about 8 minutes. Now we will try the bone-shaped Flourish Lama. This model is more elastic and it is wider. Hence, it will most likely stronger to hold the object compared with the rectangular shape. I will try with the plastic material first. It's been more than 10 minutes and it's still attached firmly. Previously, it only lasts for 8 minutes when we use the rectangular shape. Now we try with the aluminum material. As you can see, it holds okay for more than 10 minutes. Previously, it only lasts 5 minutes when we use the rectangular shape. Finally, we will try to put glass of jar. It lasts for less than 1 minute. Flourish Lama is very sticky if we put it on the wall. As you can see, when I try to pull it from the wall. Beside the wall, this product attaches pretty well on the wood. It also sticks pretty well on glasses or mirror. It cannot attach on the fabric material. In leather or synthetic leather, this product can attach quite okay. It cannot attach very well on the ceramic material, such as in bedroom wall tiles. It sticks pretty good on the plastic material such as in motorcycle or car dashboard. However, I do not recommend you to put your cell phone in this position since the contours are not flat, so it will not hold the phone firmly. The material in this part is similar with the material on car dashboard. It is a textured plastic. The Flourish Lama can hold okay in this kind of material. However, we cannot put the mobile phone here because the contact point with the phone is very little. If you really want to put your cell phone on the motorcycle, I suggest you to put in horizontal position like this. But even though it seems pretty strong, I still not recommend you to do this. If you hit a bumpy road, the cell phone might be jumped off from the bike. In addition, this position is very easy for robbers to steal your phone. If it gets dirty, we can wash it with water. For the record, before attaching this product, the surface must be free from water or oil, or it won't be sticky as you can see in this video. So, make sure the surface is completely dry. For note, I felt that after I washed this product, it felt not as sticky as before. To improve the adhesiveness, I use a duct tape, then I attach it to the Flourish Lama. With this method, it helps to add a little bit adhesive strength. The conclusion is, this tool is quite helpful to attach objects that are not too heavy or under 200 grams. If you want to attach a cell phone, it is recommended if you use a silicone case since it is the stickiest material compared to other. Although it can attach strong enough, for safety reasons, I do not recommend to put the object in 100% vertical position because there is still a chance to fall. However, if you put the object in 45-degree angle, then this product is really handy to put the object stays in its position. The example usage for this product is to attach a toy on a car dashboard so we don't have to use double tape or glue. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more unique and useful information.